Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore custom CSS in WordPress with site editor revisions, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore custom CSS in WordPress using site editor revisions, start by logging into your WordPress. Navigate to the Appearance section in the left-hand menu. Select Site Editor from the submenu. Once the site editor loads, look for the option to view revisions. This option is usually found in the upper right corner of the editor. Click on the Revisions button to see the history of changes made to your custom CSS. You will be presented with a timeline or a list of previous revisions. Browse through the revisions to find the version of custom CSS you want to restore. Click on the specific revision to view its details and how your CSS appeared at that point in time. If you're satisfied with the selected revision, look for the Restore option. Click on Restore to revert your custom CSS to the chosen version. Once restored, take a moment to review the changes in the site editor. After confirming that it looks as intended, save your changes. To finalize the process, click the Publish button to apply your restored custom CSS to the site. Check your website front-end to ensure that the restored CSS is displaying correctly. If you need to make further adjustments, you can repeat the above steps as necessary. That's how you successfully restore custom CSS in WordPress using site editor revisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.